Top 5 apps like Factory Price Jewelry Review that actually work today. If you love jewelry but hate paying retail prices, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that give you real discounts without compromising quality. Most people get this wrong, but the right apps can save you hundreds on rings, necklaces and watches. First up is Gemvara. This app offers customizable fine jewelry at wholesale prices. You can select metals, gemstones, and even engravings, all while seeing the cost breakdown transparently. It's perfect for gifting or treating yourself without overpaying. Second is Blue Nile. Known for diamonds and engagement rings, Blue Nile's app provides certified gemstones at competitive prices. The key feature is their price comparison tool, which ensures you are getting a fair deal versus traditional jewelry stores. Number 3 is James Allen. The 360 video feature lets you inspect diamonds from every angle before buying. Plus, their app offers seasonal discounts and bundle deals that make luxury jewelry more accessible. Fourth, we have Brilliant Earth. While it focuses on ethically sourced jewelry, it also offers competitive pricing and financing options. Many users report saving 20-30% compared to similar items in high street stores. Finally, Etsy. Yes, the marketplace app. Many independent jewelers offer handcrafted pieces at factory-level pricing. The advantage is variety. You can find unique items that big brands simply don't carry. In conclusion, while factory-priced jewelry is convenient, these 5 apps give you more choices, better pricing and transparency. Whether you want a classic diamond ring or a trendy statement piece, these apps let you shop smart without compromising style.